Hello friends, in the last video we have covered line chart. These are super simple and very popular charts because they give you an immediate idea of how a trend emerges over time. You can easily see when peaks and troughs hit, whether the overall values are going up or down, and when there is a sharp spike or drop in numbers. So this is the main reason why line charts are very famous in Power BI and Excel. In this video, we are going to cover sorting charts, include and exclude data, export data. Few options we cover here. So let's start. In the previous videos, we have designed this chart, this column chart. So we have taken this chart as a reference. So if we want to sort chart, so there are two options as per the region and as per the sales. So here generally we sort the data as per the sales because we want to analyze the sales as per the category, as per the year, whatever value we have on x-axis. So here by default sales or chart sorted ascendingly. So if we click on sort descending, then you will get chart in descending order. Similarly, you can sort as per the region. So there are two options, sort descending and sort ascending. When you click on ascending, you can see it sorted A to Z for this option, and for descending it's sorted Z to A. So but actually generally people sort charts as per the numerical value. I have now sorted as per the numerical value in ascending order. So these are the 2 points or two ways to sort chart in Power BI. Also we have option to select or include or exclude the data as per our requirement. Suppose I want to include only these four columns in my chart or in my project. So there is one option, include. So when I will click on the include option, it will show only these four columns. Basically it apply filter here on data. You can see filter automatically apply when I have click on include option. If you want to remove this filter, you can click here remove filter, so it shows original graph. Similarly, if I want to exclude these four selected columns, so there is an exclude option. You have to just click on that and you can see remaining data we can use for our analysis. Same, if you want to remove the filter, you have to just click on this cross sign and remove the filter. Suppose if we want to filter data in Excel, we have to apply the filters in Excel. But here if you want to sort data, when you analyze data properly and then you want to then you want to sort or filter the data. That thing is also possible in Power BI. For example, I want data only for region Pasco. So I want to just select the column, right click on it and show data point as a table. Click on this option. So here you have seen that you can easily filter the data. Here only Pasco region data it filter for us. You can click on back to report. Suppose you want to only sort data or filter data for Austin, you have to just click on. So we can easily filter the data by right click on it and show data point as a table. So here we have successfully filtered data for Austin region. You can click on back to report. So this is the way you can filter the data. Also you have one more option of export the data. So here if I selected or view the data, then on right hand side these three dots are here, and here you can export the data as per your requirement. So it will automatically export data in CSV file, that means filter data as per your requirement. So this is the way we can sort the chart, or we can exclude or include the data or columns as per our requirement. So this is all about this sorting data. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Punyanagari. Please like my videos, share my videos. Thank you.